Understanding earnings. Earnings, an introduction. Earnings reports are one of the most anticipated events in the stock market. They offer a direct glimpse into a company's health and future prospects. Strong earnings can propel a stock upwards, while disappointing results can send it plummeting. For options traders, the potential price movements surrounding earnings announcements can provide lucrative opportunities. So, what does it mean to say a company is reporting earnings? An earnings report is a document released by a publicly traded company that provides details about the company's financial performance over a specific time period, typically a fiscal quarter or year. It includes information such as the company's revenue, expenses, profit or loss, and earnings per share. Earnings season does not only provide quantitative data. Company management often discusses forward looking statements, offering insights into future strategies, potential risks, and growth areas. These qualitative aspects can impact market sentiment and stock direction, both of which are crucial for options traders. Earnings Watch. These reports are closely watched by investors, analysts, and other market participants as they provide insights into the company's health and its potential for future growth. So, what's included in the report? The core of an earnings report includes the income statement, which shows revenue, expenses, and profit, the balance sheet, which displays the assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity, and the cash flow statements, which details cash sources and uses. Delving into the income statement, identifying the revenue and profit is a crucial portion of the company's earnings report. This includes revenue, which is the money earned from core business activities, net profit, which is the revenue minus all expenses, and the earnings per share, the profit divided by the number of outstanding shares. Glimpsing into the future. Traders and investors are also highly focused on forward guidance, so they can understand what the future may hold for the company. This includes management's predictions for future performance, revenue and earnings estimates, potential upcoming positive or negative catalysts for the company, and more. When do we get this information? We get this information at the earnings conference call. We also get guidance. The earnings conference call is a teleconference or web conference held by a publicly traded company in which the company executives discuss the details and results of the most recent quarter or year as presented in the earnings report. Typically, the CEO, CFO, and other top executives participate in the call. Components of the earnings conference call include the presentation, guidance, and a Q&A session. Let's break down what's included in each. During the presentation, company executives first present key financial results, highlight major achievements or challenges from the period, and discuss factors driving those results. Guidance. Executives often provide guidance or forecasts for the company's future performance. This could be in terms of projected revenues, profits, or other significant financial metrics. Q&A session. After the presentation, analysts from major financial institutions have the opportunity to ask the executives questions. This Q&A session provides additional insights into the company's performance, strategies, and outlook. Sentiment impact. Particularly in volatile market conditions, anticipation and market sentiment can be even more important than the actual numbers. Oftentimes, companies can trade lower while beating EPS estimates just because expectations were too high. Companies can also trade higher on bad numbers just because they were better than expected. Why do earnings conference calls matter to options traders? Earnings calls are important because they have an immediate impact on stock price. They provide implied volatility trading opportunities. They can impact long term holdings, and options can be used as a hedge. They offer potential for high returns due to big movements, and they help manage risk. Being aware of earnings can help traders manage and reduce unexpected losses and risk. In conclusion, understanding the importance of earnings is the first step. After that, traders must understand how to identify earnings reports and understand how an earnings calendar works. During the next section, we'll be talking about an earnings calendar. What is it? How do you identify which companies are reporting earnings? And how do you know which ones to focus on? I will look forward to seeing you in the next episode.
Hey traders, if you love this video and want to take your trading to the next level, come join us in the Mastering the Trade room. This is where I focus on low risk, high reward strategies along with the rest of our trading team. You're going to find live charts, live analysis, and live trades always made with real money. Click on the link in the description to join our community and learn more today.